Sense the world, create the intelligent future. Visually control the world, and everything is connected. In the scenic southern region of China, on the cutting edge of development on the eastern shore of the Guangdong Greater Bay Area, Huizhou Great Will Industrial Company Limited drives industry progress with its superior GPS positioning and visual control technology, innovative Internet of Things era. With 15 years of experience, 15,000 square meters of workshop, 3 major product lines, and 20,000 units of daily production capacity. With multi-scenario application as the core, Great Will has completed the whole IoT industrial layout including IoT solutions, hardware and software docking protocols, hardware monitoring modules and OEM/ODM customized solutions. Our 30-member professional R&D team drives continuous innovation. Precision scientific instruments, advanced production equipment, seamless production process, perfect quality management system, as well as focusing on the details of the enterprise production concept of excellence, so that the product can be high precision, high stability through the international ISO certification and other types of products international quality certification, 3C, CE, UL, SASO, Anatel, etc., delivering high-quality products and support globally. Great Will serves multidisciplinary development through diversified wireless communication modules and intelligent monitoring software and hardware. Government and enterprise vehicles, identifies blind spots, offers intelligent warnings, enhances safety, and supports supervision with real-time monitoring. Passenger vehicles, provides 360-degree panoramic views and remote photography for safe driving. Smart Mobility, develops a visual tracking platform for seamless vehicle tracking and intelligent supply chain management. Great Will GPS Tracker, Dashcam, and MDVR and other high-definition AI video control products, in more than 100 countries and regions overseas well received. Our strong customer service system covers pre-sale, on-purchase, and after-sales services. Pre-sale service, we understand your needs, offer personalized consultations, answer questions, showcase products, provide samples for testing, and customize solutions. We also arrange fast international shipping for samples. On-purchase service, we quickly process orders, maintain transparent status updates, and work with top logistics companies to ensure quick and safe delivery. After sales, our customer service team consists of trained professionals and provides expert remote support. We conduct regular check-ins, gather feedback, and offer upgrades and new developments to maximize your satisfaction. In the digital era, Great Will uses key technologies such as demand forecasting and after-sales tracking to continuously innovate the customer service model, provide customers with a more convenient, efficient, and reassuring service experience, and promote the win-win co-development of the cooperating enterprises. Integrity first, quality foremost. Great Will aims to be the leading IoT scenario solution provider. Innovating and advancing, Great Will seeks to create a new era of IoT development with its partners. Together with Great Will, let's perceive the world and create the future.